In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about navigating some essential features using Google that can enhance your workflow and improve your overall productivity. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine their skills, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process with ease. So let's dive right in. First up, we're going to visit Photopea. Now, Photopea is a fantastic online image editor that has proven to be a robust alternative for those who want Photoshop-like capabilities without the hefty price tag. To start, simply open your browser and type Photopea in the search bar. It's usually the first result that pops up. Click on it and you'll find yourself on the Photopea homepage where you can explore a myriad of tools and features designed to aid your creative projects. This application can handle everything from basic image editing to more advanced tasks such as working with layers, masks, and even vector graphics. It's an invaluable resource, especially if you are working directly from your browser without installing any software. Next, let's explore Google settings to customize your experience further. Many users often overlook the power of these settings, but they play a significant role in ensuring you're working in an environment that feels comfortable and familiar. To begin tailoring your Google experience, move your attention to the More section on the Google homepage. Once you click on More, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, look for and click on Language. This is where you can select your preferred language from a wide array of options. By setting your default language, Google can provide more accurate results and suggestions in your chosen language, making the entire process of searching and finding what you need much smoother. This is particularly useful if you work in a multilingual environment or simply prefer to browse the web in your native language. And just like that, you're done. With these simple yet effective steps, you have learned how to access Photopea for all your image editing needs and customize your Google settings to better fit your personal or professional preferences. Remember, small adjustments like these can significantly enhance your workflow and make your digital experience more intuitive and efficient. Thank you for joining me today as I guide you through these quick and easy steps. Whether you're editing images or personalizing your Google experience, you'll find these tools and settings invaluable. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Until next time, happy exploring.